Hi, it's Brett the Herbalist, and you might be familiar with our detox and cleansing programs. And today I'm doing another recipe that fits right into any of our programs, but particularly good for detoxing. So one thing I've found is really good is Indian food, curries. Obviously Thai and Chinese and Asian style curries are all very good, but particularly fond of the Indian curries because there are a lot of herbs and spices in there that are hugely beneficial. And today we're using okra, or it's also called bindi. So this is a really interesting food, bit like a pickle or a cucumber or a chili, sort of a cross between the two. So a really interesting food. But they have a really awesome flavour, almost leave you with a long-lasting aftertaste when you have these in a curry. So this will be an interesting one. It's okra and mushroom curry. So let's go for it with the recipe. So we're going to start with the mango chutney to have on the side. So it's just mango, onions, garlic, ginger and chili. And we just basically puree these up until we get a nice smooth chutney. And this is a great accompaniment to the whole dish. We eat this alongside. So here's the okra, tomatoes, mushrooms. There's some fresh tomatoes, garlic, chili, ginger and coriander, cilantro. And we've also got some coriander seeds, some turmeric and some black cumin. And that's basically it for the ingredients. Right, so we're just going to cook this up in a little bit of oil. So this is already a hot pan. And I'm just adding some olive oil here. You can use coconut oil or ghee or whatever you've got. So the teaspoon of coriander seeds and a teaspoon of black cumin seeds. And we're also going to add a little bit of turmeric. Just a dash of that really. Just to give it a bit of colour today. And we're just going to let these simmer down in the oil. And I'm going to add, I forgot to mention this, a couple of cardamom pods. Just grind the seeds out of those and add those in as well. So let these herbs just simmer down in the oil to really bring out the aroma and the flavour. And then what I've got here is the pureed chilies, garlic and ginger. So just use a little bit of water in the blender to puree those, and then the chopped tomatoes. So there's your sauce pretty much done. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to add in something a little bit extra. That's just the rest of the water there thrown in, which is dry mango. So this is a great accompaniment in any Indian curry really, because what it does is just softens the whole dish and gives it a slight sweetness as well. Mango's got a really nice flavour in curries. So it's one of my favourite little additions. And now we're just going to throw the veggies in. So the mushrooms, the okra, and just basically stir that in. Now today I'm a little bit low on the okra. And you might find okra hard to source. And if you do, you can use this, which is zucchini. It makes a great alternative and a great filler. Doesn't have much flavour, zucchini, but it's got the same sort of consistency as the okra when you go to eat. And that's pretty much it. We're just going to give this a few minutes to simmer down. Normally takes about 15 minutes, depending on the heat you've got going on, but 15 to 20 minutes max. And just let it simmer down until it's soft to eat. And you're ready to go. It's beautiful. Now this makes 2 good servings for 2 hungry people, or maybe even 3 smaller servings, and you just eat it with the mango chutney on the side. Get a little bit of chutney on your spoon and a little bit of curry. It's delicious.